Welcome to this guided meditation for automatic writing. It is designed to help you foster a profound connection between your subconscious mind and your higher self, or inner genius. This meditation is most safe because it does not invite spirit influence into your space. The answers you receive to your questions during this meditation come directly from your own higher self. If you are new to spiritual or psychic development and find yourself feeling anxious of what may come through during this meditation, consider listening to Connect with Your Heart Space meditation first. Once you feel less resistance, you can return to this meditation. If you have not found a comfortable place to sit down where you can have 5 minutes to yourself yet, you can do so now. Now take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, while bringing all your awareness into the center of your chest. Say, I am now my genius. From above you, a bright silver, white, or platinum orb of light appears and begins to drop into your head. When it is in your head, bring your awareness into it, and then continue to breathe. As you breathe, the sphere gets bigger and bigger until it's the size of a helmet around your head. Say, I ask that my subconscious mind connect with my genius, and that my ego and my intellect step aside now. Now write a question to your genius, and then just start writing the answer. Don't judge what comes up. Even if it doesn't make sense to you, don't judge. Just keep writing. After you've done it for some time, a new stream of consciousness will come through. After some time of feeling like you are just making it all up as you write, you will feel high-level information starts to come through. Information that you can tell does not come from your human personality.